Hey YouTube, it's me, James Plays. If you guys weren't aware, I changed my name from Knife Man and everything like that. This is my dad. Well, just bought a drone. It's a Parrot Bebop drone, and I'm going to do an unboxing of it. It's right there. That's a comparison size of the box to my hand. Let's set this up somewhere. Y'all can see everything I'm doing. Alright, we're good. Got my knife to open it with. If you guys can't see me, I'm sorry. Oh, shit's wrong thing. Come on, you bitch. Fucking cut. Tape there is on it? Yep. Put my knife back in the sheath. There it is. It's probably the charger. Well, here's the drone. Plugs and adapter thing. The manual. Ooh, rubber bands. Comes with these things to like put around it. Go ahead and get these out. Probably the charging cable right there. Don't want to lose it, so I'm just set it back in the box. Comes with extra propellers. And then whatever that thing is. Extra props. Set the phone down for a second so I can put these back in. Don't want to damage these or lose them. So I just bought it. Paid $231 for it. That was after tax, at least. It was $199, then $230 after tax. Might have to download an app on my phone for it, but sorry if you guys admire my beautiful ceiling. I'm gonna read the manual really quick. Well, not read it, but look at it. See if I have like downloaded an app or something. Yeah, that's pretty big. It's off a little piece of paper. Yeah, so I have to download an app, and I will be back with you. If you guys like the video, leave a thumbs up, and then we're going to probably get some cool drone footage tomorrow. It's like 9 o'clock when this video goes up, like maybe 10 o'clock when the video goes up. So, bye, see you guys.